Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me showing you guys how to apply your lashes. I get these questions all the time. So many people think that I wear false lashes, like extensions, every single day, which I don't. I did use them in the past. My girl Imani did them for me, but right now I'm taking a break from them because I realized that when I use them, for some reason I do lose more of my natural lashes, so I'd rather use my strips. So I'm going to be showing you today how I achieve this look here with my lashes, and also I'm going to show you a little bit of what I do afterwards. So if you're interested in watching this video on how to apply your lashes the easiest way, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so basically I'm gonna go ahead and start and apply some mascara on my real lashes. The reason why I do this is because it protects my actual real lashes from getting hurt when I do apply the strips. So also the glue is going to stick to the mascara, and as you guys can tell, what you're gonna do is you're gonna use your tweezers and you're gonna have the tweezers in the middle of the lash, and then you're gonna put it right in the middle of your eye. You're gonna go ahead and just apply the corners. You can do the inner corner first or the outer corner, is your choice. I usually do whichever one is more easier for me at the time, and that's it. You just apply it. I feel like the tweezers make a huge difference and it helps a lot when applying your lashes. So here we go. We're gonna do the same thing on the next eye. I'm applying the outer corner first and then the inner corner, and I think it all depends on which which side is more comfortable for you, but this is how I do mine, and it's so easy for me. It's literally like a 1, 2, 3 step. Also, these lashes are the ones that I reused this morning for today, so that's why you guys see the residue of glue. But yeah, here we go. That's it. I got my lashes on and it's popping. Okay, so then I'm going to use the same mascara. You can use whichever mascara of your choice, and I'm going to apply some of that on my lower lashes, and that's just gonna give me a different look. It's going to make my eyes pop a little bit more, and I'm not gonna look too sleepy or too tired, without the mascara. Here we go. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use my Tarte palette, and I use this for my highlighter. I do love this palette here, and I actually do love this shade. I'm going to put the name of the palette here for you guys. And here I'm just using this lip gloss from Forever 21, which I love this shade. And then I'm gonna use my favorite Fenty Beauty lip gloss to top it off. And that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on my next one.